Let me show you how to add and change your Google Forms header image on this video. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add and change the header image on Google Forms. So let's head on over and jump over there. So this is Google Forms, and if you're not located here, and if you're located in Gmail, just click on the menu here and go to Google Forms. You'll find an icon just like this one, so it can take you right here. Now you'll find a list of all your forms available here, and we're gonna select one of these to add that header image. So let's go into this employee feedback survey form that I've created, and by default, the header image is not here. So I'm gonna show you how to add it first. Now on the top menu, there's this customize theme option that we are going to select. So go ahead and click on this, and there's an option that says header and choose the image. This is where we're going to add the image. So go ahead and choose image, and we'll be able to select the theme that's available already, upload our image, select photos that we've uploaded, check Google Drive, Google Images by searching, or by a URL. So if you have the URL of an image, you can go ahead and use it right here, and it will load it in. Now, if you're going to upload your custom header, we're going to need to know the restrictions for that image. Good thing is that Jotform provides us this example of what we're going to need for the exact size. So it's 1600 by 400 pixels. And you can see here that not all the area is usable. That means that the form is going to be on the way, or something is going to happen that it won't be visible in this place, for example, where it's red, and possibly usable in this section. So sometimes it will be visible and sometimes not, depending on where you are looking at. So if it's desktop or if it's mobile, those areas will be viewable or not. So do consider this when building it. Now, let me show you how to build one really easily in case you need to do so. Now, my quick trick is using ChatGPT to generate the image. I provide the example image of the good usable area, and then it generates it for me for my use case. Now I can keep on continue editing this image, but this is a super easy way to do so. Now, another example would be to use something like Canva, an image designer, and to do it, you'll use custom size. Go ahead and type in the width. So in this case, 1600 by 400, and make sure the unit is selected to px, which is pixels. Go ahead and create the design, and it will provide the exact size that I need for this purpose. And then it knows things that it might be usable for me. For example, this one looks nice, and then I can go ahead and edit my header right here. So it's easy and practical, and now I know what I actually need for my header. Now let's go ahead and load in the one that I created in ChatGPT. So let's go back into Google Forms. Let's go ahead and browse into my desktop, choose the header. Here we go. It is now loaded in. I have the option to crop if needed, but in this case, my header image is already the size I need. But in case you created bigger images with different pixel ratio, go ahead and crop it right here. Go ahead and save, and it's now loaded into my header right here. So it's easy and practical to load it in. Now, be aware that there's also suggestions that you can blend this into your background when you are designing it. So be considering that if you want to do that, but it's easy and practical to set your header right here. Now, if I want to remove this, go ahead and select it, and you have the option to change the image. You have the option to reposition the header image and removing it right here. So it's easy and practical. Now, if you need more flexibility and you want more options, then you have the option to use Jotform. So this is Jotform, and go ahead and select the form that you want to use for this purpose. I'm going to use this Tech Conference 2026 form. Let's go ahead and edit the form, and we'll have several options available to customize and add a header. And to add a header, we're going to click on this Add Logo option here on the top. Let's go ahead and select this, and we have the option to add a logo really easily by adding it right here. So you have logo options, you have upload image options, and I can use from one of my images here. So in this case, if I like this one, I'll go ahead and select it, and it's going to be added right here. I'm going to change the size so it fits in here. I have the option for alignment. I have the option for a logo alt text, form width, label alignment, and a whole lot of options available, including injecting custom CSS to highly customize this. So it's super easy and practical to add a header here on Jotform. Then you have a ton of options to change the theme, the layout, and colors to highly customize your form. So it's super easy to do so. So there you go. You can see it's super easy to add a header image on Google Forms, and also to remove it and customize it. And don't forget to take advantage of this template right here so you can understand the usable areas for your design. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options to add a header image on Google Forms, and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.